Like, Piper's having sweet potatoes.
Do I have to keep my finger on it?
Nope.
We only talk to normal people.
They're good?
Your therapy is working. Your graders are coming. Pushing the boundaries.
Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff, my little rosebud? Huh?
Look at Mimi. She knows who you are.
Ooh, what are you doing? What you having for supper? You having sweet potato and a side of feet? Huh?
No feet today.
No feet today. Yeah. That's good stuff, huh?
Mama gonna give you some dessert now. She ate that whole jar. Good girl, huh? Good girl? So let me turn this down a little.
Guys, your father's out there.
Okay, you ready for some apples and bananas?
Bye.
I like
No.
to eat apples and bananas. You ready? Yummy. Just turn that off.
Yeah, I want the news.
I think she's getting full.
They must feel a lot of grief too.
Some more?
Oh, that's
The
the,
Attorney General's office is investigating the shooting. It could be several more weeks, though, before the official office rules that the shooting was justified. Coming up tonight at 6, we'll hear from the family. Coming up on News 15.
oh, that's the one in Portland.
That good?
A lot of people are trying to cut corners with costs, and they end up buying something that could be lethal for their pet.
It's an alarming trend that's prompting a federal alert. We'll tell you what you need to know in a special report.
Hello, my sweetheart. What are you doing? What are you doing? That good? Yum.
It is good. I've tasted it. Ah. Well, eat it. Oh, you getting full? You getting full? Say
Summer used to mean covering up my body and dreading the
How's that good?
But with the help
Yummy, yum.
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 and I gained confidence.
They're good nanans, huh? Is that good? You like your fruit, huh? Yes, you do.
Are you sure that's going? Did you say record?
25.27.
Who's it?
It's going.
Oh, okay. You're so impatient. He's like your mama.
What do I just push it down?
When you're ready to stop, you just hit that again, yeah.
Oh. It's not moving. How do you want? How
No,
do I
you can't
know?
move it anymore.
It
You
says record.
Okay, that's good. That's fine then. There you go.
Yeah, it says 3:20,
Yeah, okay, that's the minutes.
3:32, 34.
Yeah, it's the minutes.
35,
It's been
yeah.
recording.
For over 100
Baby loves her fruit,
I'm
huh?
still learning about the camera.
Yep. That was half of it on your tub. Oh, are you done? Can't be done already.
She'll let you know if she's not done. What's all that?
You want some more? Yeah, I guess that's a yes.
What's all that about, huh?
Some more? Oh,
You
yeah.
gotta give Mommy time to get it in your mouth.
You did a piggy. It's right there. There you go.
Ah, we're gonna have a side of feet.
Yep. That's
Sweet
her.
potato, apples, bananas, and pears, and a side of feet.
What was that?
Tonight on News 15, stupid spending habits keep hurting your bottom line. From unnecessary charges to making minimum payments, we'll break down what's keeping you in
Pull her
debt.
bib down a little bit so she can get more of her face.
Yeah. You want some more? Well, My goodness. You want some more? I guess that's a yes. I guess that's a yes, huh, Punky? Punky. Pumpkin pie. My no
Punky
pumpkin pie. You want some more? You're gonna force it, huh? It's like your mama.
Piper Jean.
Look at Mimi.
Piper
Look at
Jean.
Mimi.
Little Rosebud. Hello. Hello, precious. Yeah. You's a good girl.
Look at
You
that mommy
Mimi's
rock.
Rosebud, huh? You Mimi's Rosebud. Yes, you are. You're my Rosebud. I think she's getting full.
Yeah.
Oh, bless you.
Bless you. Some more? Nope. She's done.
She's all done.
You done?
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, now just hit the button. There you go.
Still recording.
Is it? Just hit the button.